chance, of course, to secure this fine piece of real estate in the strongest market we've ever seen. Who'd like to get the bidding underway? An opening bid, an opening offer. Let's kick it off. For the whole year at $1,330,000, 42 back in front. $500, sir, at $1,337,500. I bought my family home 6-7 years ago with a $500 bid, and I know that it can work. Sir, give it another go.
I just sold my property with AUS. It's amazing.
1.2 and 3/4. Go again at 1.3, sir.
And fantastic, very helpful, very honest. Nick Tuck and Matt did amazing. I'm so happy to have them as my agents. They did an amazing job.
If you're thinking of selling, Nick from Oz Property looks forward to selling your property, don't you, Nick?
Love it.
Oh, well, it was quite nerve-wracking, but and quick, but very good. Exceptional auctioneer. He did a really good job.
Second chance at $1,337,000. Congratulations to the owners.
Yes, much more than I expected. Yes, ecstatic about the price.
Third and last chance, all done, finished and silent at $1,325,000.
Definitely. I will be recommending them to all my friends, anyone that needs, be right up there, definitely. And if I ever need another one, I'll be coming to Nick.
At $1,337,000, third and final call, selling, sold. All yours, well bought.